Today, we're checking out a motorhome that's designed to go the distance and actually live up to that promise. This is the 2026 Nexus Triumph 24TS, part of the Triumph Sport Class C lineup, and it's one of those RVs that tries to balance durability, comfort, and smart design in a relatively compact size. At about 25 feet long, it sits toward the larger end of the series, but it still feels manageable to drive and park. What really stands out is how much they've managed to fit inside. You can sleep up to 6 people in here, thanks to 3 separate sleeping areas. And the layout is flexible enough that you can swap things around depending on how you travel. For example, if it's just 2 of you, you can turn one of those sleeping spaces into a lounge or extra storage. The 2026 version doesn't change much structurally, but it does get a visual refresh. There's a new exterior look and an updated interior style called the Bourbon Finish, which gives it a warmer, more modern feel. Underneath that, though, the construction is where this RV really tries to stand out. It uses a lightweight steel cage, reinforced walls, and a fully walkable fiberglass roof. The underbelly is enclosed and heated too, so it's built to handle different seasons without much fuss. Inside, the layout is surprisingly practical. Up front, you've got the cab-over bed, which can double as a massive storage space if you don't need it for sleeping. In the back, there's the main bedroom, and right next to it is the bathroom, almost like a mini ensuite setup. The big slide-out along one side opens things up and holds the dinette, wardrobe, and part of the bed. The dinette is your classic booth style that turns into a bed, and there's storage tucked underneath and above. If you're not into that setup, you can swap it out for theater seating, which basically turns the living area into a cozy lounge facing the TV. That's a nice touch for couples who want something more relaxed than a traditional dining space. The kitchen runs along the wall, and while compact, it's well equipped. You get a microwave, a 3-burner cooktop, a large sink, and a surprisingly roomy fridge that opens from either side. Storage is well thought out too, with adjustable shelves and solid wood cabinets throughout. The bathroom is a full dry bath, which is always a plus in a motorhome this size. You've got a separate shower with decent space, a porcelain toilet, and a small vanity. It's functional without feeling overly cramped, which is not always the case in Class C RVs. When it comes to features, it's pretty well loaded. You've got a tankless water heater, a powerful furnace, air conditioning for both the cab and the living area, and a diesel generator. There's also a full-length power awning outside and sturdy exterior storage compartments built to handle rough use. In terms of capacity, it carries a solid amount of fresh, gray, and black water, all in insulated and heated tanks. So again, it's clearly built with longer trips in mind. It can tow up to 7,500 pounds as well, which gives you some flexibility if you want to bring along extra gear or even a small vehicle. As for pricing, the official sticker comes in around $140,000, but in reality, you'll often find it closer to the $80,000 range depending on the dealer and options. That puts it in an interesting spot where it's not exactly cheap, but it's aiming to deliver long-term value with durability and thoughtful design. Overall, the Triumph 24TS feels like it's built for people who want something tough and versatile without going too big. It's got enough space for family trips, but it can easily transform into a comfortable setup for 2, which makes it a pretty appealing option for a wide range of travelers.